Okay, Adib, how are you today?
I am fine, thank you, and you?
I am also fine, thank you. Today we'll learn about phonics. Adib, আজকে আমরা জানবো হচ্ছে ইংলিশ অ্যালফাবেট গুলোর phonics. How many phonics do you know? তুমি কয়টা phonics জানো?
A to Q.
Q. Oh, A to Q পর্যন্ত phonics গুলো তোমার জানা আছে, তাই না? So let's go started. I asked you every phonics, okay? A,
A,
B,
B,
C,
K,
D,
D,
E,
E,
F,
F,
G,
G,
H,
H,
I,
E,
J,
J,
K,
K,
L,
L,
M,
M,
N,
N,
O,
O,
P,
P,
Q,
Q.
Qua. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, today we'll learn about phonics. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you all.